Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Happy Monday. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Monday. It's kind of cold and snowing here in Ohio, but that's okay. This morning we are going to be making a diaper clutch. These things are great for a bridal shower or a baby shower. They are great for the new mom. There's what the inside looks like. So you have a pocket for your diapers and you have a pocket to put your wipes. Great for on-the-go moms. Diapers won't get lost in the diaper bag. Has a nice little elastic attach. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, what you are going to need is fabric. For your main fabric, this is going to be 2 pieces. Sizes are 10.5 by 13. And then you are also going to need a contrasting fabric for the inside. This piece is going to be 10.5 by 12.5. Other things you are going to need for this is elastic and a button. So if you're ready to get started, let's go. You're going to start with your inside fabric, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it, one of the pieces, and this is the 10.5 by 12.5 piece, and you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to repeat with the second piece. And this is working with your contrasting fabric, the inside. Now what you are going to do is you're going to iron your fold, and then you are going to take a top stitch and top stitch the top. Once I have that done, I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back with our top stitch done. So we have our top stitch done on both of these. Now the next step you are going to do is you are going to take the outer fabric, you're going to lay it down, and you're going to place what we just sewed, the pocket. These are going to be the pockets. So you're going to take them and you are going to place them on the edges on both sides. Just like that. So it's going to leave a space here so you can put your diapers in and your wipes. After you get this placed, you can pin and sew along the edges if you would like, or you can just do it all in one big sandwich. So you place this piece wrong side up. So when you have it, you'll have your sandwich. Now the next step you're going to do after you get it all placed is you're going to take a 5-inch piece of elastic and you are going to place it on one end. So I fold that up for a minute. When you place it, you're going to place it right in the middle. You're going to fold this back up. And then you're going to pin it. Let's see if I can get a pin. This is a great project because it's quick and easy. Put that down. Make sure you get your elastic. Just like that. Now you're going to finish pinning along the edges of your project. All right, we are halfway done. Now the next step you're going to do is you're going to do a 1/4 inch seam around. Now you're going to want to leave about 3 inches so you can flip. You're going to flip this to the right side. So I always leave mine on the opposite side of my elastic. And when you top stitch, when you get to the elastic, do 2 or 3 back stitches on here to hold your elastic. Alright, I'm going to sew and I will be right back. Alright, now you should have your top stitch done, or your stitching done. Left a spot here so we can flip. Let me take out my pins. This project is such a quick and easy project. Wish I had one of these when mine were little. Would have been so nice. Alright, now that we have our pins out, you are going to clip your corners, making sure not to get your stitching you just did. This will cut down on the bulk when you flip. Alright. Alright, let's flip it. Make sure when you're flipping you don't get in between the pockets from the corner that we sewed. As you can see, there's 4 fabrics here. Oh, didn't get my elastic. All right, so we're going to take our trusty chopstick or anything you want to push the corners out with, and we are going to push the corners. Like that. All right. So once finished and top stitched, this is what you're looking, or once flipped, this is what you're looking at. This should be in here. I will fix it. I missed it. It's okay. Okay, so now the next step you're going to do is you are going to top stitch around. I always do, for top stitching, the length of my sewing needle or my presser foot. Line up this edge right with the edge of the presser foot, and that way you'll get a straight line. Make sure you fold this over. You can iron this before you start. That way you get your sides all pressed and they'll look nice. So go ahead and top stitch around. And then once you're top stitched, you'll end up like this. And you are almost done. We gotta put our button on. You can hand sew this. I use my sewing machine to sew these on. So when you sew on your button, you want to make sure you don't want to sew on your pocket. Make sure you sew underneath your pocket. And after you get your button on, you are finished. And it will look like this. Such a great, great, great project. Pockets. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day and a great week. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.